Hello guys, welcome to Linux Joy channel. Yesterday we learned about find command and how to use it, and today video is also about find command with some different functions. So let's get started, and my request is to watch the video continuously. Don't skip the video till the end. Watch the video and for your better understanding. So let's get started. I open my virtual machine and open the terminal. Okay. Okay. Today is the first command. We are going to find a file based on a user. So how to find that? For suppose, find every user home directory is under /home directory. So whatever the work is done by a user, it will be stored in /home folder. So find /home and -user. So we are going to find a file based on a user, single file. So -user, I have one user that is Rocky, and the name is -name. Here I have to mention the name joy.txt. So in this way you can find a file based on your user. So I want to find all the files based on the user. Here how to use that? Find /home -user and -name. Sorry, -user is Rocky. Press enter. You can find all the files based on a user. Next, I want to find specific files based on a user. So for that, I have to use this command: find /home -user Rocky -iname inverted commas star.txt. So when you press enter button, it will find all the .txt files which Rocky user have. So these many .txt files which Rocky user have. And next, and I'm going to find .php files also based on this Rocky user. See, these many files he can find. So now I'm going to find files based on a group. So how to use that command? Find /home. Instead of -user, I have to mention here is group, and the group name is Rocky. So these many files are available under Rocky group. So in this way we can find files based on user as well as based on the group. And next, if you want to find files which are modified in 50 days. So how to use that command? Find /-m time, that is modified time, in 50 days. So like this you can find these are the files which are modified in last 50 days. At the same time, I want to know which files are accessed in last 50 days. Same command, enter. So these are the files which are accessed in last 50 days. I want to see the modified files which are modified in last 50 to 100 days. So for that we have to use this command: find /-m time and plus 50 and -m time -100. In this way you can find the last modified files which are between 50 to 100 days. So these many files which are modified last 50 to 100 days. So I want to find the files which are changed in last 1 hour. So how to find that? Find /cmin 60. Okay. These many files are changed in last 60 minutes. Okay, let me check the command is right or not. Cat find command here. What is that? Sorry. Changed. Yes, find /cmin 60. Yeah, that's correct. And I want to find the files which are modified in last 1 hour. So this is the command. So these many files are modified in last 1 hour. These are all. And I want to know the files which are accessed in last 60 minutes. Okay, these many files are accessed in last 60 minutes. That means last 1 hour. Next, I want to find all the 50 MB files. So for that, I have to type this command: find /size 50 capital M. When you press enter, so it's showing there is no files which have the size 50 MB, which don't have 50 MB files. So I'm decreasing the size 5 MB files. For an example, I'm going to find 5 MB files. These are all 5 MB files. Next, I'm going to find the files which are the sizes between 5 MB to 10 MB. For that, I have to use this command: find /size plus 5 capital M -size -10 capital M. When you type this command, it will find the files between 5 MB to 10 MB. File sizes are between 5 MB to 10 MB. Okay, these are the files which have this size between 5 MB to 10 MB. So next two commands I'm going to execute here. I'm going to just explain, because in this case I have to delete some files. I don't want to delete those files in my system. For that, I wrote those commands. I'm going to explain now. Cat yes. So observe this command. This means find /size plus 100M, and execute command is remove and F. So this command means if I want to find the files which have 100 MB and I am going to delete all those files, for that I have to use this command: find /size plus 100 MB. That means it's going to search 100 MB files and execute this command rm-f. That means it is going to be remove those files. It will find that 100 MB files, and after that it will going to delete those files. Next command, observe here. Next command is for I want to search for specific files which have specific size, and then I am going to delete those files. For that I have to use this. I am going to first search the file. For that, type find /type. F means files -name. So specific files means I am choosing here .mp3 files. So, and I am going to mention the size also, which have 10 MB plus 10 M. This capital M means MB, megabytes. And I am going to delete the first files. That means -exec executing this command rm-f open braces /semicolon. So that means it will find the .mp3 file which have 10 MB size, and it's going to delete those files. So this is the explanation about these two commands. So today plan this session to explain these commands only. I hope you understand these commands very well, and in case you have any doubts, please do mention in the comments below, and forward this video as many people as you can, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for latest videos about CentOS 7 server. Thank you. Have a nice day.